All right, before we continue, here's number 17. And number 18 was a duplicate from the previous page, so we're not going to bother doing that one. Hooray. Now, these are a little bit trickier. These are the watch out kind of problems. So just when you think you do plus or minus first and then multiply or divide second, algebra has to give you a little twist. And the reason why, if you look on the right side of this equal to sign, everything is in the fraction. X plus 11's on the top part of the fraction, 8's on the bottom part. So before we minus 11, we have to break up this fraction. So what we're going to do is get rid of that fraction. This is x plus 11 divided by 8. So to break up that fraction, we're going to multiply this side by 8. Whatever you do on one side of the equals, you have to do on the other side. So the 8's cancel. What we've done is we've kind of exploded the fraction. So now when we bring down what we have left, it's x plus 11 equals 24. Now we can get the x by itself, minus 11 on both sides. Bring down your x. That cancels out. 24 minus 11 is 13. So for number 20, we have the same thing. That whole side of the equals is part of a fraction. Well, that's a bummer. So let's get rid of that fraction. Let's multiply this side by negative 2 because that's what's in the bottom. So we're going to multiply this side by negative 2. Bring down what you have left. N minus 5 and negative 7 times negative 2 is a positive 14. Get n by itself, add 5 to both sides. Now we'll bring down what we've got left. N, that crosses off. And then 14 minus 5 is 19. Last two problems. It's the same idea, except this time the variable is on the right side of the equals, but that's okay. So we have 1 equals x minus 13 divided by negative 6. So let's multiply by negative 6. Whatever you do on one side of the equals, you have to do on the other side. Negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. And now here, those cancel. Bring down what you have left over. Remember, we want to get x by itself. So here I'm going to add 13 to both sides. Whatever you do on one side, you got to do on the other side of the equals. Let's write what we have left. Negative 6 plus 13 is 7 equals, sorry, I'm running out of space, x, and then that cancels. So that says 7 equals x. Last problem, 4 equals x plus 8 divided by 9. So I'm going to multiply by 9 on each side. So now we have 9 times 4 is 36. And let's see, these 9's cancel out. So we're going to bring down what we have left, x plus 8. And then to get the x by itself, I want to move this 8 over. Whatever you do on one side, you do on the other. 36 minus 8 is 28 equals, bring down your x. And then these 8's cancel out. And that's it. Have fun working on your homework, guys.